Your credit score is not a reward system. It's a risk prediction tool. It doesn't measure how rich you are. It measures how predictable you are. Many of us use credit cards, take out loans, or pay in installments. We expect our credit score to rise as long as we pay our bills on time. But credit scores can feel confusing. Sometimes you pay everything on time, but your score drops. You close an old account to be responsible, yet your score changes in a way you didn't expect. It can feel unfair, even random, but it's not random. There's a system behind it. Credit scores are calculated by automated scoring models. There is no human judgment involved. No one manually deciding your fate. These systems only look at data about your financial behavior. Understanding this system is the key to understanding your score. Let's break it down into 5 key parts. First is your payment history. This is the most important factor. The scoring models track if your payments are on time, late, or missed entirely. A single late payment can have an impact, but consistency over time matters more than perfection. The system wants to see a long, reliable record of on-time payments. Second is credit utilization. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Imagine you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit. If you consistently carry a balance of $9,000, you're using 90% of your limit. Even if you make your payments on time, high utilization signals financial stress. It tells the system you might be over-reliant on credit, which is a risk. Keeping your balances low compared to your limits is crucial. This brings us to an important point. Simply paying your bills on time isn't enough. Many people believe that as long as they pay, everything is fine. But having low credit utilization often matters more to your score than how quickly you pay off a balance. A small, manageable balance paid consistently is better than a large balance that's paid off aggressively one month but comes right back the next. The third factor is your credit age. This refers to the average age of all your credit accounts. Older accounts build a longer history for the scoring models to analyze. This is why closing an old credit card, even one you don't use, can sometimes cause your score to drop. It shortens your credit history and can reduce your overall available credit, which in turn might increase your utilization ratio. A longer history shows stability. Fourth is your credit mix. The models like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit. This might include a mix of credit cards, which are revolving credit, and installment loans like a car loan or a mortgage. Having a healthy balance shows that you can handle various forms of financial responsibility. Having too much of one type, especially too many credit cards, can sometimes be seen as a higher risk. Finally, there's new credit activity. This tracks how often you apply for new credit. Every time you apply for a new card or loan, it usually results in a hard inquiry on your report. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can be a red flag. It suggests you might be in financial trouble and are urgently seeking funds. So it's wise to apply for new credit thoughtfully and only when needed. Let's be clear about something. Credit scores do not judge your income. A person earning $50,000 a year and a person earning $500,000 a year could have the exact same credit score. Or they could have very different scores. Your score is not about how much money you make. It's about predicting future risk based on your past behavior with credit. So what does this all mean for you? It means the credit scoring system rewards stability, not just effort. It favors slow, predictable behavior. It values low credit usage and controlled borrowing over aggressive repayment and high activity. The system isn't designed to be a mystery. It's a tool based on data. Once you understand how it works, you gain control over the outcome. You can make choices that align with what the system values, and that is where your power lies.